Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Thursday and then today, Friday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Update's probably not the right word for this one. Confirmation would be more of an accurate term. The main point of confirmation, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video on Thursday, but comes via the 0.035 mark, which is that green line right there. The price did pull back some more, and I'm not patting myself on the back, but I am going to pat charts on the back here. Surprise, surprise, look right where the price bounced a couple of times today, right around the vicinity of 0.035. Now, are charts perfect? Absolutely not. Nothing is perfect. There is no holy grail. But, some people would make you think charts are totally worthless. They have no place. Well, I mean, I guess that's just a coincidence that, that's where the price bounced off of a couple of times. And if you don't believe me that I had that green line there, I'm not offended. I get it. I'm a stranger on the internet. All you got to do is go back in the archive and watch the video from, December 13th, and you'll see, I put that line right there. So my point, though, is that is a key level of support, and it did indeed hold as support today. So that's a good sign, because taking a step, now I should know, and I think I talked about this in yesterday's video on Thursday, but a lot of perspective goes into this. If you're a day trader and you bought there, or you're a flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought in any of those locations and you wanted to sell within, 7.2 seconds after buying, well then yeah, for that perspective, the chart's looking pretty rough, because I get it. There has been a pullback. But looking at things from the grand scheme of things and why that 0.035 mark is important, so let's add a little bit more context here, is you can see that the trend is still very, very clearly up. If you can't see it, well, I'm going to show you right now. Like I said, we have that level of support that's been doing a great job of holding strong. You have some lows right there. You have that set of lows. You have these lows down there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, then yeah, the stair steps are still continuing to progress in the upwards direction. Again, I get it. If you're a day trader, flipper, and you bought up somewhere around there, you don't care about these stair steps. But, when you take a step back and look at more than just the past couple of days, and you look at multiple days, it becomes very clear that the bulls do still have control of the overall trend. And as long as the price continues to chip away and build higher bases, that's what you want to see. So going into next week, 0.035 is definitely that key level of support you want to see hold. If the price can start to bounce back up, keep an eye on 4 cents. And then after that, the price has another chance at maybe getting up here and doing battle with the 0.045 mark, which is that red line there. So next week looking like it'll be pretty interesting.